Today, we have Air Scrubber Plus. Only Air Scrubbers, patent pending, proven process creates active pure air, cleaning air that's sent out from your central air system to reduce mold and attack it in your whole home, even on surfaces like countertops and doorknobs. Our non-toxic process replicates the same way Mother Nature cleans the environment in your home. Air Scrubber Plus is university proven to remove up to 99.9% of mold, cigarette smoke, and disease-causing bacteria, so you protect your family even while you sleep. Get today's technology with Air Scrubber Plus so you can learn firsthand what today's technology does for your home.
Hello, I'm Tom Lozano with Air Scrubber Plus. So how does this product work and why does it work? First of all, you need to realize that this product only copies what nature does outside. As the sun is shining outside, there are friendly cleaners created. What are friendly cleaners? An example would be tiny, tiny amounts of hydrogen peroxide. This is actually one of the ways that nature cleans the air every day. There are so many reasons why you should consider putting the Air Scrubber Plus in your home, but one of the biggest reasons would have to be to protect your heating and cooling system. When was the last time you thought about your heating and cooling equipment? If you're like me, who knows? I just turn it on when it gets hot or cold and expect it to work. Well, just to remind you, this stuff can get expensive. Replacing heating and cooling equipment can be like a car purchase, something you don't want to do all the time. Now, I'm not a technician. When it comes to equipment, I like to keep it real simple. I change the oil in my car regularly. Why? A clean car will last longer. If I don't change the oil, I will soon be changing the car. In the same way, dirt is the enemy of your heating and cooling equipment. You need to keep it as clean as possible. Now you may be thinking, I have a filter. Isn't that good enough? Well, in a word, no. All kinds of small particles go right through that filter. Now, remember those friendly cleaners that the Air Scrubber Plus produces? Well, it turns out that they act like little magnets, just like outside when the sun is shining. And these friendly cleaners cause these tiny particles in your house to start to clump together. In fact, this process can happen so quickly, it's like giving your house a quick cleaning. You might even notice a little of extra dust the first week just because the particles are clumping and then not making it through the filter. But after the first week, you should notice a big decrease in dust. Now here's the question. Will keeping your heating and cooling system clean make it last longer? The answer has to be yes. Just like your car, keep the mechanical parts clean and you will get the maximum mileage out of your investment. Now we could talk about what happened to my constant nose blowing once we put this technology in my house. We could talk about how it got rid of the dog smell in my house. We could even talk about this technology proven with the highest level of scientific validation to reduce germs on countertop surfaces. And by the way, I'm glad about that one because I can't afford to get sick. But talk to your heating and cooling professional about all of the benefits of this product and find out how you can start experiencing those benefits today. And thanks for listening.